Ah, aloe vera gel, my trusty sidekick in the world of skincare. Let me tell you, this magical gooey substance is a game changer for your skin. First off, aloe vera is like a superhero when it comes to hydration. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin, keeping it plump and moisturized. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. But wait, there's more. Aloe vera is a pro at soothing irritated skin. Got a sunburn? Aloe vera to the rescue. It's like a cool breeze on a hot summer day, calming redness and reducing inflammation. It's like a hug for your skin, comforting and healing all at once. And let's not forget about its anti-aging powers. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants that fight off those pesky free radicals, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. It's like a fountain of youth in a bottle, turning back the clock one application at a time. But here's the best part. Aloe vera is a multitasking genius. Not only does it work wonders on your skin, but it's also great for your hair. Say hello to shiny, luscious locks thanks to aloe vera's nourishing properties. It's like a spa day for your hair, leaving it soft and silky smooth. So, there you have it, folks. Aloe vera gel is a skincare superhero, a soothing savior, an anti-aging miracle, and a hair care hero all rolled into one. It's nature's gift to your beauty routine, and trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.